Are you ready to embark on a 24-hour food adventure in Singapore? Imagine starting your day with a classic pairing of kaya toast, soft-boiled eggs, and a cup of traditional kopi. Ya Kun Kaya Toast, found in multiple locations, serves this beloved breakfast, or perhaps you'd prefer to visit Tonga Eating House on Keong Saik Road. Don't miss out on the nasi lemak at Changi Village Hawker Center, a perfect early morning meal. As mid-morning approaches, why not try the Chee Cheong Fun? The old Airport Road Food Center houses stalls that serve steaming rice rolls with sweet sauce. For a local twist, grab a plate of carrot cake, both white and black versions, at Chee Swee Carrot Cake at Toa Payoh Lorong 1 Food Center. When the clock strikes noon, it's time for lunch. Indulge in the internationally acclaimed Hainanese Chicken Rice at Tian Tian Hainanese Chicken Rice, located at Maxwell Food Centre. A bowl of laksa from 328 Katong Laksa with its rich and spicy coconut milk-based soup is a must-try. When the afternoon heat starts to build, cool off with Ice Kacang from Jin Jin Hot Cold Dessert at ABC Brickworks Market and Food Center. Or perhaps a traditional Chendol from Dove Desserts at Old Airport Road Food Center would hit the spot. As the sun sets, the dinner bell rings. Head to Lau Pa Sat, where Boon Tat Street transforms into a lively Satay street. For seafood lovers, the iconic Singaporean chili crab at Jumbo Seafood or Long Beach Seafood is a must. Your late-night cravings are catered for too. The Roti Prata House on Upper Thompson Road serves a wide variety of prata, while Swee Choon Dim Sum restaurant in Jalan Besar is a popular spot for late-night dim sum. And if you're still up after midnight, why not enjoy nasi lemak again at Boon Lay Power Nasi Lemak at Boon Lay Place Food Village, or try some bak chor mee, minced meat noodles, at 85 Fengshan Center, also known as Badak 85. This journey offers a mix of iconic Singaporean dishes and the best spots to enjoy them, ensuring a delicious adventure through Singapore's hawker culture. Do remember to check the operating hours before visiting, as they can change. So, are you ready to embark on this flavor-filled journey? If you like this video, please subscribe, click, and share. Also check out my other videos linked in the description below.